Hey everybody, I just got done filming a video for my channel. It is like 1:30 right now, Friday, December 9th. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get that much footage today because I do have to go to work in a couple of hours and I get off real late, so I'm not doing that much today. But I did get this video done, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day so far. Check out my last vlog. I uploaded it this morning. I was kind of late, but I was really tired last night, but I got it done, so I'm grateful for that. And yeah, so catch you guys in a little bit. So I'm supposed to be using my mom's car to go to work, one of her cars. It's like 2:40. I'm supposed to be at work at 5 o'clock. No problem, right? Wrong. So I have stuff to do before I go to work. I have to run errands. So I go outside. The car ain't moved in like a week. So it's not starting. Well, it's starting. No, it's coming on, but it's not starting. And every time I, this is the first time I've ever tried to jump a car. Like, I'm so lost. But every time I put the little stuff, the clamp, whatever it's called, on there, the alarm starts going off and the car is not starting. Like, I'm very irritated. I have stuff to do. Like, I'm so annoyed. I'm about to show y'all what I mean, because this is just not going how I wanted it to. I was having a great day and it just ruined it. Like, I am so irritated. I know I did not just walk all the way over here and don't have the keys. Of course I did. I'm hungry. I was finna go to CVS, get my prescriptions, grab something to eat, do some editing, all of this stuff before I have to go to work. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all this part. Every time I go by the car with my phone, while I'm trying to start it, my phone cuts off. Like, it's so weird. I'm very irritated right now. I do look amazing, but I'm very irritated. It's cold as hell outside. And my fingers get cold every time I try this. I'm trying not to curse. I'm so irritated. My mom won't answer her phone. Her husband won't answer his phone. And then Shay is trying to help me over the phone, telling me what to do. When I do what she tells me what to do, when I do what she tells me to do, it don't work. Like, I'm so irritated. There's a bus right here. I'm supposed to be showing y'all what I mean, but well, I guess it's little kids. I don't want no one looking at me, but it doesn't matter. They're kids. They don't know anything. Okay, y'all. I'm finished. But seriously, every time I sit and... Okay, so it's like this little box thing where you don't have to plug it up to... I mean, not plug it up. Connect it to another car. So there's a little girl waving at me, and I don't know who she is. But y'all, look at this. So, positives on the positive. I'm about to put the negative on the negative. Do y'all shit. Do y'all hear this? Beeps. Do y'all hear this? It's just beeping. Like, why? And then it's not gonna start. I'm so irritated. Like, this is some bull. The devil is working today. I just can't have a good day. And then there's no gas. Like, I'm finna run out of gas, but the car's not even working. I had enough gas in here to get to CVS before I gotta go to the gas station. This car is not even old, y'all. It's an Acura MBX. Like, it has no reason to be doing this. Oh my god. I'm just so irritated. Okay, so I talked to my stepdad. He said that because I'm using the little box jump thingy, that's probably why it's not working, because it needs a stronger jump from a car. But guess what? There's no other car here. The neighbors aren't here. No one's here. So Shay is about to come get me because she's great. And hopefully give me something to eat. Not hopefully, but yeah. So yeah, this has just been like, it put a damper on my mood, but I'm trying to get it together because I want to have a great day. I have to go to work. Nobody wants to go to work in a bad mood because then it feels like you're there forever. So yeah, just keeping it together. So I'll talk to y'all when I get in the car. And it is 4 something and I have to be to work at 5. So yeah. How you feel today?
Did you get me picking my teeth?
I don't know. How do you feel?
I feel like I feel really motivated today. Motivated towards what? I don't know. But whatever I get accomplished today is gonna be something for the greater good.
God damn.
They so close, right?
Shit.
It's gonna be something for the greater good. I need to go finish recording that song I started on yesterday.
You was recording on YouTube?
When I was over there yesterday?
Yeah.
Yesterday I recorded. You was at the house when I recorded.
Oh, you talking about at the house?
I need to go over there and record. Nah, I didn't record at my mom's house. I need to record there. But I need to go back to the house because I ain't got that song on there. That beat. I need to finish recording that song. Send it to Zilla. He gonna mix it at his spot. And then do I have a video tomorrow?
No, today's Friday. Your video's on Sunday.
Oh, he moved it. Yeah. You moved it. He moved it to Sunday. You said Brandon said that.
Oh yeah, he did.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Sorry, dang.
But
I'm off Sunday, so that's good because then I can come.
Do some editing for your vlog, and that's all I got to do. What else I'm going to do, I don't know.
I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you more. I ain't gonna see you for the rest of the day.
I know.
And I just got word, y'all.
Make me sad. I love you. It's my best friend. Best friend.
Damn,
Forever.
Damn, baby.
I know. I'ma come. I'ma get up in the morning.
We're not sleeping together again.
Again.
I hate not sleeping
Damn,
with
look at all
her.
that smoke. I mean, dang, look at all that smoke.
Goddamn.
Oh, I can say damn. I can say damn.
You got blocked that light. This one.
Do you like my makeup?
I love your makeup.
I did good. Thank you.
You're so cute. You're so beautiful.
Stop.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, wait.
Why you just couldn't pick one?
Because I'm like, I picked one. I said I want to see you in my face when I wake up. I picked one, and you gave me the other one. Tell them that
I only seen Shay for 30 minutes today, and then I have to go to work, and I'm not gonna see her until tomorrow, and I'm sad. I love you. Can you text me? Text me, okay?
Alright.
I love you, baby. Don't make me sad. Oh, my butt's out. Stop. Is it ashy? Yeah. Okay.
Do you need a belt?
I'm gonna tuck my shirt in. That's what I be doing. Just tucking it in.
Right.
I love you, baby.
I love you more.
Give me this.
Bye.
Can you text me? Okay. Y'all, I'm so sad. Because I miss Shay and we're not gonna, I mean, I don't want to say we're not living together, but just until we move, I'm gonna be at my mom's house and she's leaving. I'm gonna be at my mom's house and she's gonna be at her mom's house. I just took this out of the car. I'm gonna walk into work with it. Thank you. I'm about to get me something to eat before I go to work. So Yeah. Okay, so I'm at work. I'm eating. I have like 7 minutes. I miss Shay. This tea is disgusting. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm eating Moe's. And like I said, I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all again. So see you guys tomorrow.